When working with Clover and customers, if you wish to associate a customer with the order that you're about to process, you have to start with the customer's app. You have to look for the customer, find it from the list or search for it. And once you found the customer, you open the record and then you can click on a new order. And so now you're taken to the register app and you can see right here that the order is associated with this particular customer. Let me go ahead and remove this customer. So opening a register from scratch, right, like so, and there is no customer associated. You can add a customer by just also clicking on these buttons here, and you can search for the customer and add it. This list is going to go on forever, and then you can just add it. So that's a native way to getting it done. We have a different proposition. So with the Cloud CRM, we are now introducing what we call workflow management. So we'll go to the menu and we click on the workflow management, and we have this option that's called require customer select on checkout. So if we enable this, allow to cancel customer assignment. So this right here, if we basically get this unchecked, this will force the user or the cashier to select a customer in order to go on with the transaction. If we click this checkbox here, that will give them a way to basically cancel out the assignment and just go on with the transaction without assigning the customer. So it all depends on what your business requirements are. If you would like to require your associates to associate customer with the transaction, then you can use this option here. So we're done, and let's just go ahead and now, open a new. I believe this is the old transaction that we've had open. So let me go ahead and open the register app, and you see that this assignment is now happening automatically. As soon as you open the register app from now on, you will be asked to assign a customer, like so. Alright, and so once you've assigned the customer, it's a native customer assignment flow, and on you go with the transaction, like so. And when you pay, it is then associated with this customer forever. And when you back to the new register, when you're done with this particular transaction, we're asking to assign for the customer. And you can see there's an X that allows them to exit out of this, basically. If we go into workflow management again, all right, like so, and uncheck this box here, all right, and then, all right, so this may not work the first time because, all right, so there it is. Now there's no way to exit out of this. You have to select the customer to go on. So nothing can be done, and this screen cannot be avoided until a customer is selected, like so, and then you can go on with the transaction. So it's just an alternative to a rather manual approach that's provided on Clover. It's available on Cloud CRM. Just to remind you that Cloud CRM is completely integrated with customers on Clover, and this particular feature or add-on or workflow, like we call it, does not cost extra. So whatever the cost of the app is, it includes this particular customer assignment functionality as well.